Quick Irish coffee recipe. Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to whip up a quick and delightful Irish coffee that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: freshly brewed hot coffee, Irish whiskey, brown sugar, whipped cream. Optional: a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon for garnish. Instructions: first things first, brew yourself a strong cup of hot coffee. You can use your favorite brewing method, whether it's a coffee machine, French press, or even instant coffee if you're in a rush. Next, grab your favorite Irish whiskey. Traditionally, we use about a shot, or 1.5 ounces, but feel free to adjust to your liking. It's your drink after all. Now, let's add a spoonful of brown sugar to sweeten things up a bit. Give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves into the whiskey. Carefully pour your hot coffee into the glass, leaving some room at the top for our final touch. And now for the pièce de résistance, a big, fluffy cloud of whipped cream right on top. Don't be shy, pile it on. For that extra touch of magic, sprinkle a little cocoa powder or cinnamon on top. It not only looks pretty but adds a delicious aroma too. And there you have it, folks, a quick and irresistible Irish coffee that's sure to warm you up from the inside out. Cheers!